try something a bit different this time around and start some science at home. Have a look what's in this Solar Grasshopper kit that we can find at Jaycar. You can get it mail ordered to you pretty cheap right now. Okay. You can also see our assistants in the background being very helpful. Fortunately, it also comes with a pretty detailed instruction kit that we can use. And here's Ash. Hey buddy. The whole kit's made up of 6 pieces. The body, the head, a little sponge, our cell, PV cell with a motor attached, some antenna, and some eyes. So straight out of the box, there's only 6 pieces. The instructions are very easy to follow as you go through. Just plop them down next to you, and everything that needs to stick to something already has an adhesive back to it. Now, fortunately, all the parts are numbered as you go through, and it's really important just to keep an eye on the instructions as you do this. Now, the way this thing works is it's got a couple of different types of different chemicals in the cell, and they'll just push only a very, very small number of electrons through each other as they try and make electricity. So as it gets forced in, only a very small current can flow, and the reason is because those 2 chemicals allow only a very small amount. If it tried to do more, we wouldn't actually get anything when sunlight was directly on it. So I'm just popping in it bit by bit, following the instructions here, but effectively the solar panel is going to come across the top like this. Hey buddy, how are you? Right. It just pops in. Yeah.
Oh.
And circle it up. And we're done.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Put the sun out, you can see what happens. Took about 5 minutes to put together. 6 pieces, all the sticky bits just peel off paper, so it's nice and easy to put together. So, if you want a really quick way to see how cells and motors work together in direct sun versus a little bit shady, I highly recommend this kit. Thanks.